Does Wi-Fi get worse over time in your home? You might think your signal just ages like milk, but the real reasons could surprise you, and how to fix it is easier than you expect. One big reason Wi-Fi seems to get worse is physical interference. Over time, you might add new furniture, appliances, or even build walls that block or absorb your signal. New devices like microwaves or baby monitors can also create invisible noise that disrupts your Wi-Fi. So, what seemed strong before can suddenly feel slow or spotty just because your home environment changed. Another reason Wi-Fi gets worse is your router itself. Like any tech, routers wear out and their performance declines. Plus, if you don't update the firmware, your router can lose important security patches and optimizations. An old router can't handle modern devices or speeds well, making your connection lag or disconnect unexpectedly. Over time, you probably add more devices like phones, smart TVs, and home assistants. Each device needs data, which splits your bandwidth. Plus, nearby Wi-Fi networks from neighbors can overlap channels and cause interference. This congestion means your Wi-Fi feels slower even if nothing in your home changed physically. Luckily, Wi-Fi getting worse isn't inevitable. You can keep it strong by updating your router's firmware regularly, rebooting it every so often to clear memory, and placing it centrally and elevated for best coverage. Also, consider upgrading to a newer router with better range and speed if yours is very old. So does Wi-Fi get worse over time in your home? Usually, yes, but it's mostly due to changes around you and your router aging, not magic decay. With some simple maintenance and smart placement, you can keep your Wi-Fi fast and reliable. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.